Nice and busy down there. Look at the sea down there. How the sun's just glistening on it. Fantastic that. That's really nice. I think I better not lose these. I know where they're heading. So it's getting nice and busy in the old town. Hello. Human statue there again. Same one that was here the other day. Just wander back and find our friends. I just wandered off there to have a look at one of the shops down there. Want some sunglasses? Plenty to choose from there. So we've wandered up, I don't know where we are now, we're in some sort of plaza shopping area. And I've lost, oh they're down there, there we are, I've lost them. I wonder where they've gone. Oop, man step. That goes all the way up there as well. So we'll wander up this part of the shopping area. I think it can take us back out into one of the side streets. That would be annoying, wouldn't it? We'll go up this way and we'll turn left. It will take us back down somewhere. I'm not sure where. Not sure where it'll bring us out, but I mean, you can carry on forever. It's just like, how far do you go? We'll go down this way. Shall we go this way?
I'll meet you at such and such.
I suppose that's one way of getting your pallet truck back down the hill, isn't it? I was just looking at the parking charges here. They do it by the minute.
No way.
Yeah. They do it by the minute. So it's 4 cents a minute. 4 cents a minute.
So 60 minutes.
Yeah, so an hour it's 4 cents, that would be what? €2.40 for an hour? No, it's not bad considering it's the, centre of the old town, isn't it? Those of you that are regulars to the old town will recognise Vincent's there. I might be wrong, and if I am, let me know in the comments below, but I think that's probably one of the oldest British pubs in Benidorm. If you know differently, let me know in the comments below. Right, so it looks like we're heading back down where the doves are. Dove Square, I think we call it. Those Brits call it Dove Square. I don't think you could ever get tired of that view. Particularly when the sun's out. Bit breezier today. You see that flag over there just fluttering a little bit in the breeze. I think it's coming down from the north. But you know, it hasn't stopped anybody, they're all out. Local singing groups giving us a bit of entertainment. Right, we've come down to the harbour area. Have a little walk along the harbour and have a look at some boats. There's them steps there, back up to the old town, back up to the castle area, up to the church. Look at that sun shining on that sea there, look. Brilliant that, isn't it? Nah, what a lovely, lovely shiny sea. Ooh, shiny sea. Down the steps we go, down the steps, mind we don't fall. Chaps there fishing. Oh, looks like they're backing up now. Probably not had a good morning's fishing, probably not caught much. So this is where you can come down and book your boat excursions. And you go on that little boat there. Out of service due to end of season. Right, so that's us back where we started. Had a nice walk along the harbour wall there. It's a bit breezy up there though. So even though I've got my little mic on with its little wind muffler, it may have picked up a bit of wind noise, so apologies if it has done. Right, we're going to head back up, I think, towards the old town. Our friends have got to go and pick something up that they've ordered. Joggers around. It is actually the Benidorm marathon this week, or half marathon. Tomorrow being Saturday.
Come on. Hola. 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 Oh, little
Hola.
You're a sweetie. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, what a little sweetie pie. Oh, God.
Hello.
Yeah.
Right, we'll have to go and get some chips from My Chips. Small, medium or large? Medium. Cheesy chips. Can't beat My Chips, cheesy chips. And we're surrounded by 3 birds as well now, look.
And when I have a salad, I want salad cream, not mayo. Yeah.
I think we might be calling into the Jolly Roger for a sneaky pint. Irish bar there. Not been in there, no, I've never tried that yet. We always seem to prefer coming here to the Jolly Roger. The Jolly Roger. Ambulance there as well, something's gone off. Do my back in there if I drove one of them.
That's only 600, mine were 1,000.
You're 1,000?
Yeah.
Wow. I think it'd break my back in two if I was on one of them.
Well, that's why I got rid. Because it were hurting me. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It hurts your wrists and it hurts back of your neck.
They're all very quiet down here at the moment. Rose and Crown over there. Nobody in it. We've just passed another two up there. They're quiet as well. Right, well, so we didn't quite make it into the Jolly Roger. Well, it was quite busy and it was very windy up there as well. So we come into the Brit station. First time in here, not been in here before. I know it's not been open very long. About 6 months, I think. Not sure. If you know, put it in the comments below. I don't know. But it's very nice, and they've even given us blankets. Because yes, it is a bit chilly. You can see the sun's disappeared behind that building up there.
I've not seen it since I was 14 and I found an app.
The Brit station. Worth a visit. Mr. Bean over there. Martin, there's going to be a problem here because we're not going to be quite sure which one's Mr. Bean. Right, I'm going to move on. Not sure where we're heading.
Somewhere that's got fire on.
I got a fire on. Right.
Hold on.
Let's see where we're going to end up next. We'll have, Kaz, table there. You want to go in there? California. So we found a bit of sun in the Hotel California, although that wind's really starting to pick up a little bit. Look at that bunting up there. Nice Bentley pulled up there as well. Very nice. Cheers. Yep, that's the wind picking up. Wow. Look at that bunting now, look. Blowing like hell there. Well, it's quieting down a little bit here now. Still a few people in, but if you look down the strip, it's not busy at all at the moment. But it's Friday. It'll be a different story tonight. So that was the Hotel California. So that's us done for this afternoon. We're going to head back to the hotel. We'll go see what it's like at just past by the Western Saloon. Yeah, busy in there as usual. Very busy in there actually. Past the Why Not Bar. Oh, Tad from Castleford. There you go. Nobody in though. So yeah, mid-afternoon, Friday afternoon, mid-afternoon, and it's fairly quiet, but I've got a sneaky suspicion that it's going to be a lot busier later on this evening. So we've just nipped into the Ambassador Player 1 to borrow something off our friends. This is their pool area. Quite nice, isn't it? A lot of rooms here though. It's a big hotel. And it has the Explorers Bar, which is just through there. And then the reception area. Very, very nice. Nice reception area. The size of that driftwood on there, look at that. That's some piece of driftwood, that. And here she is, she's here. Yep. Nice bar area. Though we've been in here before, haven't we? Push. That's it. Push the door. Right, folks. We're back at the Riviera, so we'll catch you soon.